So, okay, let me go with the problem number 24. You find out at the perimeter and area of the given diagram, right? So, we are supposed to find the perimeter and area of the diagram, right? Let us start from here. This is A. Let me point it here, name it here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right here. Now, perimeter of this diagram is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HA. Right, let us go with this. AB is equal to how much? That is 12 plus BC. This is nothing but this, BC is parallel to AH, that is going to be 15 plus CD here. This is 24. This will be 24. So, this is going to be 6 and as well as 6 here. This is 12. Right. CD is equal to 6 plus D is equal to 15 plus EF is equal to 24 plus FG is equal to 15. FG is parallel to DE, right? 15 plus GH is equal to 6 plus HA is equal to 15. Now, add it, you are going to get the perimeter. Now, 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, that is 60, right? 60, 24 plus 6 is 30, right? 30, 60, 90, 90 plus 12, 102 plus 6, 108, 108 centimeter. Again, you can check it out. 15, 15, 15, 15. How much that is going to be? 15 4s are 60 plus, right? 15, 15, 15, 15. I'll cancel it. That is 60. 24 plus 6 is 30 plus the remaining number is 12 plus 6, 18. It is nothing but 108. Now, we need to find the area, right? The perimeter of this diagram is 108. Area of the diagram is equal to area of A, B, C, H plus area of G, D, E, F. Area of ABCH, that is nothing but 12 into 15. This length into breadth plus, right, here area of GDF, that is 24 into 15, right? 15 12s are how much? This is 30, 180 plus 24 into 15, 24 into 15, 300, 360, right? So, 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 6 is 14, 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 540 centimeters square. This is what the area of the diagram. The answer is 108 perimeter and as well as 540 centimeter square is area. This is the answer.